Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video on Ethereum. I'm treating this move to the upside as an ABC structure in a possible wave 4 that hasn't changed in the last few days, or rather even in the last couple of weeks. That perspective has not changed at all. No, we have seen 3 waves up in the A wave. We have seen 3 waves down in the B wave. In the last video, I explained also why my view remained my view, why that perspective hasn't really changed over the recent weeks. So feel free to check out the last video, it's still relevant. But what I want to focus on in this video is simply what could happen now in this particular, let's say, scenario next. We have, and I already mentioned that in the previous update earlier today, in the members update, we have a complete looking 3-wave move up. I would still prefer one more high. But again, what did I tell you here? High probability element of the rally is done. I said that on the Bitcoin chart as well. Then we saw a correction. That doesn't mean it couldn't get another high. It certainly could. It should, right? But also here, the high probability element is done. It's the 3rd wave that's done. So the test will now come in support. It seems like a local top has formed. And that might be well, it might be a 4th wave. I mean, we could get one more high because we haven't reached the 3210 level yet, the $3,210 level. That's the ideal target actually for Circle Wave C in Wave 4. Yeah, here, this move up that started on Monday. The 100% extension at 3210 is an ideal target for a C wave. And I would expect the market gets there as long as the pullback remains a 3-wave move. And as long as we see a reaction here in this support zone between $3,022 and $2,937. At the moment, this here could be the A wave of the wave 4, right? It could be. But what happens if we break support? I mean, it should be clear what the expectation is for now, just based on the data we have right now. But new data is coming in, like on this chart, like every 15 minutes. Basically, we get a new candle, right? So what would happen if we break support? I mentioned it already yesterday. It would become more probable that a top of sorts is in, but because we haven't held, because we haven't broken above the Friday high of end of November, last week, we don't really have a complete looking C wave. So it's only a 3-wave move up. In that case, Circle Wave B might simply extend and we could test the December lows, the Monday low again, before attempting another bounce. That would be very, very typical for the crypto sector. I specifically point this out as an alternative for now. It depends on how we react to this support zone. So I think in the very short term, if we zoom in a little bit, you can clearly see that the market has started some kind of a pullback. This might be an A wave, B, C. For now, I remain focused here on a still unfolding C wave to the upside. But this does look as if at least here, wave 4 might have started. Don't think there is too much more to say. That gives you all the parameters you need to know. In the last video, I also covered the bigger picture. No need to do that now. I might do that later again. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, I recommend you check out our X channel as well for additional charts, updates, news, and much more. You can find the link in the comment section down below. You get a lot of additional updates here, exclusive video updates, and sometimes you're even informed a little sooner. There's also some information about my book project and so on. So check it out. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.